What if I told you there's a way to use Google V3 completely free no matter where you live? Yep, I'm going to walk you through the exact method step by step. Ever notice how some of the most viral videos right now look so realistic you can't even tell they're AI? That's Google VEO3 in action, and creators are getting millions of views with it. But here's the catch. VEO3 costs over $250 a month, and it's not available in most countries. First, you need a VPN if you are outside of the US. Make sure it's one that actually works with Google. Most get blocked, but NordVPN is the one I tested that consistently works. Install it, add the Chrome extension, and connect to a US server. I usually pick New York because it's fast and stable for this process. I'll leave the discount link in the description. Now, here's the secret sauce. Google offers a student plan that gives you 15 months of free access to all premium AI tools, including V3. And no, you don't actually have to be enrolled in a US university. We'll use a tool called TempMail to generate a temporary .edu email. Sign up with that email, grab the verification code, and boom, you're eligible for the student plan. Here's where most tutorials get it wrong. Google will ask for a payment method, but don't panic. They won't charge you during the trial. You can use your real card and your real name. Just make sure the billing address is a valid US address. A fake name generator website can give you one instantly. Once verified, you'll unlock Gemini Pro and Google Labs. Gemini lets you create, but Labs is where the real magic happens. That's where you'll get higher generation limits and more control over your videos. One quick pro tip. Go to settings and switch outputs per prompt from 2 down to 1 to save credits. Then make sure to select VEO3 quality instead of fast. It uses more credits, but the results are absolutely worth it. With your free student account, you'll get 1,000 credits per month. That's enough for about 10 high-quality V3 videos every single month for free. Check this out. Futuristic spaceships battling over the desert sky, or even Bigfoot vlogging his walk through a snowy forest. Yeah, all AI generated with zero cost. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll have free access to one of the most advanced AI video tools in the world. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment with your video ideas, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next one.